these grids here, and they sent them to us so we could show it to you. And what they are, you can see the little hooks there. They hang on the side of your bucket, your paint bucket actually, and then what you do is you use it to keep the paint from dripping when you use your brush or your roller. You can like rub it up against this to keep all the excess paint from dripping all over the floor when you're on your way to the wall or whatever, and then you don't have all the excess paint on your roller or your brush or whatever and stuff, and you just hang it on the side of your bucket or whatever. Like here's a 5-gallon bucket, or here's a bucket there, but I'll just show you here. Here it is in my 1-gallon bucket here, and I don't actually have any paintbrushes left because I threw them away after they got all grody and stuff. But actually, you just would take your paintbrush, and then when you got it all paint on it and stuff, you can just like rub it on here, and what it's going to do is it's going to get the excess off of there, so you're not dripping it all over the place and stuff. So this is a 1-gallon paint can here, and what we have left over from when we did the office the other day and stuff. So anyway, good stuff, and thanks for sending that, because that's like super handy. And if we had this the other day when we were doing the office, that would have been super handy. But it comes in a multi-pack, so we've got extras of these and stuff, which is really handy because you could actually use it for the different colors you're using. If you're using one color for the walls and a different color for the trim and stuff, it's nice to have the extra colors, I mean the extra grids, so you can use it for your different colors. So yeah, thanks for sending those. Super handy.